Hey there, racing enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest tech. Today, we're diving into the adrenaline-pumping world of sim racing with the Thrustmaster Ferrari 488 GT3 Racing Wheel. Now, right off the bat, what strikes you about this wheel is its undeniable premium feel. Crafted with a carbon fiber faceplate and luxurious rubber grips, it's as sturdy as it is stylish. But looks aren't everything, let's talk performance. I've spent hours behind the wheel, testing this bad boy out on various racing titles, from F123 to Assetto Corsa Competizione. And let me tell you, the force feedback on this thing kicks like a horse. Whether I'm tearing down the straights or slamming on the brakes for a hairpin turn, the feedback is immersive and realistic. But it's not just about the feel of the wheel, it's also about the functionality. With 11 action buttons, dials, and switches strategically placed for easy access, you've got all the controls you need right at your fingertips. Plus, those 4 warning LEDs add an extra layer of immersion, keeping you informed on the track without taking your eyes off the road. Now, let's talk versatility. This wheel is compatible with a range of platforms, including PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, PC, and last-gen consoles. And with the ability to customize button profiles and adjust rotation up to 1080 degrees, you've got full control over your racing experience. But it's not all smooth sailing. The paddles can be a bit noisy, and the sheer number of options might be overwhelming for newcomers to the racing wheel scene. Plus, with a premium price tag, it's an investment for serious sim racers. So, should you add the Thrustmaster Ferrari 488 GT3 Racing Wheel to your setup? If you're looking for a top-tier racing experience with unparalleled force feedback and a plethora of features, then absolutely. But if you're just dipping your toes into the world of sim racing, you might want to start with something more beginner-friendly. And there you have it, folks. That's my take on the Thrustmaster Ferrari 488 GT3 Racing Wheel. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth critiques on the latest tech. Until next time, happy racing!